As AI technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, it's changing the way we work, live, and interact with each other. We're witnessing rapid advancements in AI technology, and its impact is being felt across various industries and jobs. From automation and machine learning to natural language processing and robotics, AI is transforming the way we do business, healthcare, education, and more. It's estimated that by 2025, AI could replace up to 15% of all jobs in the market. Now, lest you think that the only jobs affected are white-collar jobs, the recent strike of the longshoremen's union demanded a reduction in the use of automation in what are considered, by and large, a prime example of blue-collar, hardworking employees. This automation is being driven by the industrialization of AI in logistics and manufacturing. However, despite the alarming headlines, the AI revolution also presents immense opportunities for those who are willing to adapt and learn. So what's the one skill or mindset that can help you thrive in an AI-driven world? In my opinion, it's the ability to be adaptable and continuously learn. The AI revolution is not just about technology, it's about humans and our ability to work with the machines. To thrive in an AI-driven world, you'll be able to pivot quickly, learn new skills, and apply them in innovative ways. This requires a mindset shift from being a specialist to being a generalist, from being a one-trick pony to being a lifelong learner. It's about embracing uncertainty and being comfortable with change. On a positive note, there are many real-world examples of individuals and companies who have successfully adapted to AI changes. For instance, Atlassian, a software company, has created an AI-powered chatbot to help its customers with customer support. Similarly, IBM has developed an AI-powered platform to help its employees learn new skills and adapt to changing job requirements. According to a recent study, companies that invest in AI-powered training programs see an average increase of 25% in employee productivity. Moreover, a survey by Gartner found that 70% of employees will need to be reskilled or upskilled by 2025 due to AI automation. Despite these statistics, some people might be skeptical about the impact of AI on jobs and industry. They might argue that AI is just a tool and it's up to humans to use it wisely. And while this is true, the reality is that AI is rapidly changing the job market, and it's essential to adapt to these changes to stay relevant in your job. There is a natural tendency by affected professionals to push back against change and the rise in the use of AI. An example that I am aware of is a writer whose name will not be given that has indicated that he will not read anything that was written by AI. And the question is, how will he know? In earlier generations of AI models, tests of professional writers did in fact show that they could discern the AI writings from human-derived writings. Changes in the AI model processing have been so rapid that tests done 18 months later found a marked improvement in AI performance, with far fewer writers being able to identify the AI-generated text. So scientists are working to slow AI down with the idea to allow the model to function much like a human brain, in that it becomes more complete in the consideration of the logic and intent involved in the human interaction. The AI will make connections and potentially update the model without the intervention of a human. So the rate of this change in technology is incredible, and we expect that within the next 18 months, a model will emerge that learns and changes its own code to address information, much as the human brain does. And to thrive in an AI-driven world, you need to acknowledge the reality of AI advancements and be willing to adapt and learn. It's not about being a pessimist or an optimist, it's about being a realist. The reality of the situation is that AI is here to stay, and workers will need to find a way to work with the technology instead of raging at the machine. It is our opinion that the one skill you need to survive the AI revolution is adaptability and continuous learning. It's not about being perfect. It's about being willing to learn, unlearn, and relearn. So, what do you think about the AI revolution and its impact on jobs and industries? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about AI, its applications. Check out our other videos, and please subscribe to get more valuable videos. Thank you.